Hello everybody, welcome to AccuReggie. Well, the storm is here. It is a big blob of moisture moving up the East Coast. Everywhere north of 78 right now is snow, and it's heavy snow where you see the yellow and the dark greens. It's heavy snow falling in PA, upstate New York, North Jersey, into New York City. Very heavy snow. Where you see the yellow south of that, a lot of that is sleet, and there's been a change over to ice in southeastern PA, and that is moving north slowly now. But everywhere north of about Baltimore to Philly, the suburbs of Philly got 4, 5, 6 inches of heavy snow before the ice, and now we're just turning it into a big compacted pile of back-breaking stuff to shovel. And that will continue throughout the night, and then eventually it'll swing back over to snow before it leaves, and we could get another 1 to 2 inches of snow on top of all the snow and ice that we're getting now. New York City, you're going to continue to snow before some potential mixing, as well as northeastern PA. Now, in New England, Boston, Hartford, the snow is coming, and you are going to be all snow, and it is going to snow heavy and hard for hours. Let's go right to the model. It shows the snow moving up the coast. Here it is, next frame. Heavy snow still in PA, but now reaching all the way to Boston. That will continue. The snows will wind down in PA, but in New England, look at this, across the entire state of Massachusetts into upstate New York, a heavy snow band before it all moves out eventually. So if we look at totals, basically all of New England to Concord, to southern New Hampshire, southern Vermont, all in New England here is about 1 to 2 feet. There's going to be maybe some mixing on the southern areas here that could keep you closer to a foot, but that's 1 to 2 feet. Interior, upstate New York, interior New York here, into northeastern PA, down to central PA, and northeast of Pittsburgh, all this area here, this is sort of the jackpot zone. 18 to 30 inches of snow. Syracuse will probably see about 6 inches, and then it'll increase as you get closer to the jackpot zone. Now, closer to New York City, 10 to 16 inches of snow. And that'll continue to Allentown 10 to 16, to Harrisburg 10 to 16. South of that line, but north of the Pennsylvania Turnpike, you see how there's sort of wedges everywhere. It'll be more like 6 to 12 inches, right? So eventually it'll start to go back over to snow. And then Philadelphia, between the Turnpike and 295 in New Jersey, we've got most of our snow already. We'll get maybe an inch or two more on top of an inch or two of ice. So we'll end up with a compacted, 6 to 8 inches of mess, okay? So that's where we're at right now. I'll keep you updated if there's any major changes, but that is what is happening for the next about 12 to 16 hours. All right, folks, talk to you soon.